It's Nick O'Clock, everyone. Sorry, it's Nail O'Clock. Hello, my name is Nick, and today we are doing nails as a beginner nail tech. So please check my channel out and do subscribe. Today I'm using a pop of method. I've learned it from social media networks and I've watched videos, so I'm putting a generous amount of top coat and also a generous amount of cuticle oil so they can pop off easily. That is the whole point of pop offs, right? Bearing in mind that since there's cuticle oil and also top coat, the nail will become shiny and slippery, so it will be harder for the tips to adhere to your natural nails at this point. Okay, I gave it a good cure for 60 seconds in my lamp and I've cured it again and repeated the process. This is me and my nail holding on for dear life. I'm holding it slightly longer while I'm blowing into my nail with my mouth so that it eventually adheres. It works, okay? It works. This is me now going in straight with application. I'm not focusing too much on filing because I'm gonna pop these off anyway. The purpose of this video is for me and you to learn application. Until we master the actual application, we can move on to other things, right? Because application is hard. I know how to prep, but application is hard. So this is me going into my monomer and making sure that all my air bubbles are out. And I am tapping into my powder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 4 times sometimes. And I wait for the bead to be a bit glossy. Then I put it on my nail. I wipe my excess powder if I need to. And then I go into my liquid and tap, tap, tap until I like the end result. Remember, I'm also a newbie in this industry, so this is my practice round, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of these so that I eventually master my craft. So, this is me just blending the nail. I saw other people do this. I don't know if it's a good idea, but it worked for me so far because I do not want to waste a lot of product. I see that some people, when they start their first bead on the tip, the excess product they throw it away. I don't know the science behind that. Maybe I will learn. This is me now going back for my second bead into the monomer, then 1, 2, 3, 4 in my powder, and I wait for it to gloss out. Then I put it on my nail tip and I wipe my brush, go back into my liquid, and start tapping. Okay, so yeah, it looks easier said than done, but some people learn it quicker than others. I know that I'm rather slow when it comes to learning. Excuse my angles, guys. I will get better at this. This is me going in with my first bead, cleaning up the excess powder, going into my liquid. I am tapping side to side. You see that? Side to side. Then I am slightly taking it down, like I'm barely touching it, and I'm just taking it down. This is me getting the hang of it. This is me celebrating. This is me getting cocky. And let's do it again and hope for the best. I'm cleaning the sidewalls as well, to avoid excessive filing because I don't even have an e-file. I'm going back into my monomer, going into my powder 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm taking it to my nail. Now I am tapping side to side. Remember to clean your brush if you need to, because sometimes I feel it's wet enough and I can work with it. When you get the hang of it, you will do what works for you. This is me taking it down ever so gently. It's like you're touching it, but you're not touching it. I hope you get it. That's how you will get that flawless bead. Oh, this is a big moment. I'm going in again into my liquid. 1, 2, 3, 4 into my powder. Wait for it to glisten up. Take it to the nail. I'm cleaning up my brush. It's probably a dry brush there, but if it works, let's see. Tapping side to side. Now I can see I'm making a bit of a mess, but it's nothing I can handle. So let's just practice, guys. Let's just practice. This is me now wiping my brush and then going back into the liquid so that I can clean up my best a bit. Okay, this is me picking up a cuticle bead. Ooh. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yikes. This is me tapping it gently so I don't flood my cuticles. Being a beginner is hard, okay? You are holding your heart with your hand and you are waiting, you are hoping for the best. This is me just taking it down. Like, not bad for a beginner, right? Not bad. Not bad. Look at me. I'm wiping. Then I'm cleaning up my excess. Come on, somebody. Come on. I'm proud. I'm proud of myself. But I know you might come at me in the comments for doing a slightly bad job. But hey, how is it for a first try? And I'm not used to working with long nails. I don't know why I started my practice run with long nails. Is it a good or a bad idea? How do you think of my application so far? This is application only. This is the full hand done, and yeah, you can see I started getting messy. Your girl was too cocky. Look at the index finger. Look at my palm. It is but a mess. But we move, right? Let's get to filing. This is me just filing one nail only. I don't know if you want to see more of my filing videos. And ladies and gentlemen, the big reveal. We did a green Frenchie and my light betrayed me, as you can see, so I opted for pictures because translated the work more. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me tips in the comment. Don't forget to advise, critic, compliment, whatever. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.